Hi beauties, welcome to DermalCare with Neelo. If you're struggling with hair fall, don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, I'll show you 3 natural home remedies that actually help reduce hair fall. No chemicals, no fancy products. First up, onion juice. It's rich in sulfur, which helps boost hair growth and strengthens roots. Blend 1 onion, strain the juice, and apply it to your scalp using a cotton pad. Leave it on for 20 minutes and wash with a mild shampoo. Do this 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Next is fresh aloe vera gel. Amazing for calming the scalp and preventing hair thinning. Apply it directly to your scalp. Massage gently and leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing. It soothes irritation and strengthens your follicles naturally. Finally, try this oil blend. 2 TBSP coconut oil plus 1 TBSP castor oil plus 2 to 3 drops rosemary oil. Warm it slightly and massage into your scalp for 10 minutes. Leave overnight or wash after 1 hour. It deeply nourishes and reduces breakage. Consistency is key. Use these remedies regularly and you'll see a real difference. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow DermalCare with Neelo for more natural hair care tips. Bye for now, and happy healing to your hair.